Hello there. Today I want to show you how to record a video with audio using the Microsoft Windows 11 snipping tool. Now I already have the snipping tool on my taskbar, so I'm going to click on it. But let's move in here a little closer so I can show you what it is that you need to select. So what you need to select is the video icon that says record, as you can see here. Select that. Now make sure you click new to start a new recording, and the snipping tool will allow you to select what portion of the screen you want to record in your video. And I'm just going to select something here. All right, as a demonstration. Okay. Now, to make sure you get audio on this video recording, make sure that this microphone icon is selected. Also, select the down pointing arrow, and you can make sure that it's selected to the input. Now, in my case, I'm going to use the microphone of my webcam. All right, that's selected. I'll hit start. I'm going to move back a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to hit start. The recording has started. And there we go. The recording has started. Now I'm going to open up the File Explorer here. All right, and you're going to see that this is what's going to be recorded. All right, I'm going to close it. I'm going to stop the recording. All right, and there it is. The recording has been stopped. Now I'm going to play it. And there's also a playing option down at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to play it, and hopefully you'll see. There you go. Okay, so the recording has been made. I'm happy with it. One of the things you can do is you can save it. So we'll go up to the top here. We'll click save. And we'll pick, in my case, I already have, I'm going to pick up this particular directory and save it. I'm going to hit cancel in this case, but that's it. That's how quickly you can record a video using the Microsoft Windows 11 snipping tool.